Today in this video we're going to look at how to schedule a text on your iPhone. Now it's easy to do, it's just knowing how to do it, but I'm going to show you step by step. So let's jump into the detail right now and look at how to schedule a text on your iPhone. So in order to use this feature you'll need to make sure that you're actually running iOS 18 or later, and you must be using iMessage, so blue bubbles basically appearing on the screen as you can see here. Okay, so on your iPhone, if you open the Messages app as highlighted here, it goes into the messages, and if you click type new message, highlighted there top right in red, new message box opens. If you type in the name who you want to send it to, in this case we've typed Carla. If you click on the name in blue, as you can see here highlighted, and that puts it into the box, and we write the message. Hi Carla, are you still okay to meet at 2 p.m. tomorrow, or whatever you want to put in there. And once you've actually written the message, if you then click on the left hand side onto the circle, as you can see there highlighted in red, and what that does once you click that is open up a whole host of options, including send later, which you can see here highlighted. So if you click send later, it will then go into it and it will select a time, etc. for you. So you can see here at the moment it says tomorrow 9 a.m. in blue on the top of the message. So if you just make the adjustments that you require accordingly, so just by scrolling through the date and the time in there, and once you've done that, it should show you the send later date and time above your text message. And once you're happy with what the message you've written and also the send later time, if you click on the send message, which is the up arrow on the right hand side, is highlighted in the red box here. So if you're all happy with that, if you click on the blue cross as highlighted in the red square here. Okay, so once you're happy with everything, shut down the Messages app and your phone will send the message automatically in the background at the date and time you stipulated. I've created some other iPhone related videos for you, including how to create and name a group text on your iPhone. You can click on the links appearing on screen now. But many thanks for watching our video today on how to schedule a text on your iPhone. We'll see you on the next video.